Hello guys, my name is Prem and you're watching Datamart. In the last video we saw installation and we executed our first program, that is printing hello world. Okay, and in this video we are going to see data types, specifically textual data, and in Python textual data is represented by strings. So we will talk about strings today. ठीक है, तो we will just run our previously executed program and this shows hello world. ठीक है, and we can also print this with the help of variables. So we will just declare a variable named message and we will just hello world, right? And we will pass this message in the print function. This print function, what it does is it takes the argument and just prints it, and we will pass the variable here and we will run it and it will give the same output, hello world, right? And by convention the variable name should be in lower case and it should be as descriptive as possible. मैं यहाँ पे m भी ले सकता हूँ. M is a valid variable name, but it will not give much information about what we are going to use to the programmers for. It is for understanding purpose. Like बहुत बड़े programs में confusion हो जाती है कि ये क्या है वो क्या है, तो it's better we should use the variable name as descriptive as possible. ठीक, and in order to use multiple words in the variable we can use it by the help of underscores like my message, and we will also pass the same and we will print it and it will give the same output. Okay, and मैंने यहाँ पे single quote use किया है. Many of you will argue that what's the difference between single quote and double quotes. Here if I use double quotes also it will give the same output. It totally depends on what content you have inside. Like मैं यहाँ पे अंदर कुछ और लिख देता हूँ, कोई नाम लिख देता हूँ, जैसे विनोद डाल देते हैं, विनोद्स वर्ल्ड डाल देते हैं, विनोद्स वर्ल्ड. सो इफ आई विल रन दिस विल गिव मी एन एरर. तो ये एरर क्यों, तो यहाँ पे हमने एक सिंगल कोड डाला तो यहाँ पे एंड हो जाएगा, तो द कंपाइलर विल नॉट अंडरस्टैंड द रेस्ट ऑफ द वर्ड्स. सो वी कैन यूज हियर डबल कोड्स बिकॉज हमने सिंगल कोड अंदर यूज किया है. तो इफ विल रन दिस इट विल गिव द आउटपुट. ठीक है, तो एक और तरीका है इसको करने का, एस्केप करने का. यहाँ पे वी कैन यूज बैकस्लैश and this will also work. And similarly we can use double quotes or single quotes outside, depends on the content you have. ठीक है, तो हम आ जाते हैं अपने hello world program पे फिर से. ठीक है, and in order to use multiple lines in the string we can just use triple quotes outside. ट्रिपल कोट से एंड और शुरू भी उससे ही करेंगे, like hello world, my name is Vinod and I am a very good person. And if we will execute it, it will give us the output as we want, like multiple lines. ठीक है, तो we can do this also. और हम आ जाते हैं अपने वापस हेलो वर्ल्ड प्रोग्राम पे. मैं यहाँ पे फॉन्ट थोड़ी बढ़ा लेता हूँ. Let's increase the font so that you can see more clearly. So I hope you can see much clearly. ये मेरे को पहले ही कर लेना चाहिए था, I'm sorry. And we can also think our string has an individual characters and we can access them, but first let's see how we can count the number of characters in our strings. To do this we can use len function. Len stand for length, so just write len in front of our message with parenthesis and let's just print it, and this will give us 11. That we are 11 characters. Let's count 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11. So this also includes spaces, commas, everything. So 11 is the output. And if you are coming from a different language you might think there should be semicolon in front of each function to terminate this. So no, Python works on white spaces. So this makes Python much more clearer than other language, much more clean. ठीक है, and We can also, as I told you, we can also access individual characters of the string just by using the square bracket in front of the variable, sorry, square bracket no, and we just need to pass the index of the string. Index starts from 0, like h will stand for 0, then e will 1, and l for 2, right? So to access h we need to pass 0, and if we'll just run it then it will show h. ठीक है, तो as it starts from 0, what if we will just pass 11, because 11 तो length है सारे की, and it starts from 0, the last word should be 10. If we'll run this will give the error. So if you want to access the word, it should be like length -1, ठीक है, because it starts from 0. And what else we can do, we can also access range of characters. Suppose that we wanna just print hello out of the word, so what we can do is we can just insert a range in it, like 0 to 5, and we will print it, and this will say hello. And remember guys, this 0 is inclusive and this fifth index is not inclusive. This creates confusion sometimes, so just keep in mind. This means it will start from 0, that is h, and it will end till 4. It will not count 5. This is not inclusive, so we can think of it like this. And if we are not even mentioning, this will assume that we want to start from the starting point, and this will print the same thing, right? And suppose like we want to access world, then we can just go with the 6th, because it will take 6 as in. And like similarly, if we'll not mention the end point, it will just go till last, till end, and we will get the output world. ठीक है? And this is called slicing. We are slicing something from the variable, like from the text actually. So if you want to learn more about slicing, I can also make one separate video, so mention in the comments if you want a separate video for this. What else we can do? So you can also ask me that what is the difference between methods and functions. Basically they both are the same, and all the data types will have methods which will bring them different functionalities. ठीक है, तो फिलहाल आप ऐसा पकड़ के चलो दोनों सेम ही है. And we will see some of the functions right now, some of the methods. So we can just suppose this hello world is in capitalized, h is capital, and we want them in lowercase. So what we can do is we can just write dot lower function with parenthesis, and we will print it, and this will bring our text all to lowercase. And similarly, if you wanna move to uppercase, just write upper instead of lower, and we will get everything in uppercase. ठीक है? And there is this function which counts the number of certain characters which we inputted, and this is called count. Like count, this takes a argument in it, like हमको count करना है इसमें hello कितनी बार आता है. ठीक है, तो we can just write hello, and this should give the output 1, क्योंकि hello एक बार आया. We can also insert in characters like L, and we will run it, and this will give 3. L 3 बार आ रहा है, hello में 2 बार, and world में 1 बार. Okay, clear? And if we put something that is not in the text, then let's see what happens. Binod डाल देते हैं यार, sorry. Let's just run it, and it will say 0, as there is no Binod in the text, but Binod is everywhere. And in order to find the location of the text, you can use the function find, and you can find the index of, like here I wanna say world, and just run it, and this will say 6. The world starts from 6th index. We can also insert here a character like L, and this will say second. This will give the, like the first one that encountered it. बाद में आता है तो वो भी पहला ही देगा. ठीक है? And if we type something that's not in the text, then it will give देन इट विल गिव -1, ठीक है, ये ध्यान में रखना -1, ठीक है, यहाँ तक क्लियर है आई गेस. सो लेट्स गो टू बैक टू आवर program. And if you want to replace something, like you want to replace world with something else, there is a different function named replace, and let's just write it message dot replace, and it takes two arguments. The first argument is what you want to replace, like I want to replace world with, the other argument is what you want to replace it with, ठीक है. तो यहाँ पे pinode डाल देते हैं, pinode नहीं pinode, then we will run it, and this will not work, this will give the same output because this replace जो method है, this will return some value and we need some variable to catch it, like we here we'll type new message and new message, then it will show our updated text, ठीक है. And if you really wanna like उसी वेरिएबल में आपको करना है तो you can also do this. अभी आपको weird लग रहा होगा हम क्यों कर रहे हैं वही इसमें, but this is very common and you will know as we will move forward in this session, ठीक है, यहाँ तक क्लियर है. और अब नेक्स्ट आ जाता है if you wanna mix or join or concatenate strings, then you need to do it by the help of, we can do this by the help of a plus sign, like मैं इसको अलग में लिख लेता हूँ, like individual greeting name में अपन नोट को डालेंगे, and if you want to concatenate it, we can just message is equal to greeting plus name, और we can print it. देखो तो यहाँ पे white space नहीं आई है. So if you're working with strings and you are joining them, this is normal, ठीक है. तो in order to deal with it, we can add a single quote, white space, comma भी डाल लेते हैं, and we need to join it also, so one more plus sign, and then we will execute it and it will give us the desired output, ठीक है. तो normally when you are using like आप बार ज्वाइन कर रहे हो तो this is not a good way to do it, like यहाँ पे हम और डाल लेते हैं, वेलकम भी डाल लेते हैं यहाँ पे, ठीक है. तो पीरियड वेलकम एंड लेट्स जस्ट रन इट, एंड राइट ये रन हो गया. तो अगर आपके पास बहुत सारा टेक्स्ट है एंड यू वांट टू जॉइन देम, दिस विल नॉट लुक क्लियर एंड दिस विल मेक कंफ्यूजन. सो one more way to join textual data is to use formatted strings, and to do this we just need to erase it, and by the help of placeholders we can achieve that. Placeholder is with the curly brackets, right. पहले अपने को क्या चाहिए, पहले अपने को comma चाहिए, तो we will just write comma and again a placeholder and a dot and then welcome, right. and ये भी quotes में आना चाहिए, keep in mind, okay. and we will write dot format, and in parenthesis what we want to do, greetings, and the second placeholder we want the name, and if we'll run it, it will give the same output. So this looks more clearer, and it looks more confusing right now, right, because you are seeing it for the first time, but trust me, once you get familiar, that this brings more functionalities and this looks more cleaner, ठीक है. And if you are using Python 3.6 or above, there is a new functionality which is added there, that is called strings. So just you need to write an F in front of the strings, and instead of using dot format, you can directly write in the placeholders, right. I'll just drag it and I'll just delete it. ठीक है, and I'll run it and this will give the same output. So this f string is very convenient because in placeholders we can also write code in it, like greetings में h बड़ा है तो I wanna write lower case, so I'll just add a function and I'll run it, so it will just run it like this. So it comes very handy. We can also write code in the placeholders. ठीक है, so these were some functions of our strings, and if you want to know what all functions are available to us, we can check with the dir. ठीक है, dir से we can find what all options are available, what we can do. So don't worry about this double underscore, like we used upper today, we use replace, find, lower, so we use some of the functions today. And if you want to see more descriptive forms of that, we can use help, but we cannot directly write help in this message because it will not show. Like you can read your help str, we need to write str here, help strings, and if we'll run it, it will give a more descriptive way. Like every function like upper we use today, it returns, like without going to the internet, you can just take the help of Python, and every function available to us is in more descriptive way. ठीक है, if you want to know about a particular function, then you can write str dot, like if you want to know about replace, we can just write str dot replace and print it, and this will give about what replace is, self, old, new, these are the arguments and what it does. So in this video we saw what are strings, some methods, some slicing, and in the next video we will see about numbers. We will play around numbers, specifically integers and floats. So stay tuned, and if you haven't subscribed yet, subscribe my channel, and I'll see you in the next video. Till that, take care.